Hi everyone, welcome back to Crave with Me. Today we're making a classic Jamaican fried dumpling. They're crispy, golden, and flaky. Just look at these. Alright guys, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and if you haven't already, hit that notification bell so you never miss a recipe. Let's get started. I'm adding all-purpose flour, baking powder, salt, sugar, and unsalted butter to a bowl. I'll list the ingredients on the top left of the screen so you can follow along. I'm using a fork to blend the butter into the flour mixture until it looks crumbly. This step helps to create soft, flaky texture once the fried dumpling has fried. Now I'm going to add in my cold water gradually. You guys want to use a fork when you're combining the dough, then switch to your hands. My dad taught me this way, it just kind of stuck with me. So once the dough has combined and came together, use your hand to start kneading the dough. At this time, you want to take your time. You want everything to be smooth and well combined. Around here, I'm pressing the dough into the center of my palm just like this. So I'm going to show you guys how I slowly do it. So you're going to take the palm of your hand and you're just going to press it in just like this. So press into the center of the dough. Alright, so once the dough is smooth, we're going to let it rest for about 15 minutes. This helps to activate the gluten and soften the dough, making it extra flaky. So now you're going to heat your oil on medium low. While that warms up, we're also going to shape our dough now that it has rested for that 15 minutes. You're going to shape them into small balls about the size of a golf ball and a little smaller, whatever you prefer really. I usually like to shape mine like this. I'm going to show you guys. I take my finger and again, I just tuck it into the center, tuck it into the center. But honestly, rolling them into balls works much more easier. So if you want it easier on yourself, just go ahead and just put them in the palm of your hand. I'm going to show you guys right here. And you're just going to roll it until it's round. Much, much easier. Now you're going to go ahead and add your dumpling to the hot oil and let them fry on medium-low heat. They'll start to sink at first when you place them in, but then they'll float as they begin cooking. That's a clear indication that they're getting fluffy on the inside. Make sure to keep an eye on them and turn them often so that they brown evenly on all sides. You're looking for that perfect golden color, crispy outside, soft inside. So once they're done, you're going to remove them and place them on a wire rack or paper towel to drain any extra oil. And there you have it guys, beautiful, flaky, crispy fried dumpling, perfect on their own or with your favorite side. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and follow Crave with Me for more recipes. Thanks for watching, bye!